Welcome to the family. Congratulations on your recent purchase. I'm Vance Dalton, President and CEO of AgSouth Farm Credit, and I'd like to personally thank you for choosing to do business with us. We are governed by a board of directors made up of local farmers just like you, elected by the membership. Our directors work alongside the management team to ensure that the AgSouth remains committed to serving agricultural and rural communities. Another benefit of your membership is our patronage cash dividend program. Each year, our board of directors reviews our financial standing and determines how much we need to retain to maintain our financial strength, and the rest is distributed back to you as members. We've returned patronage cash dividends every year for more than 30 years. You may think it's a little strange for a bank to say you're part of a family, but AgSouth is different. We're a cooperative, which means our members have a say in how we do business. We've been serving our rural communities in agriculture for over 100 years. Your local staff has the know-how and agricultural expertise to help you meet your credit and capital needs for years to come.
Welcome to the AgSouth family.